Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Arcgis Pro and loading the map that contains your target layer. Once the project is open, make sure the layer is visible in the Contents pane. This matters because the attribute table opens for the active layer. Right-click the layer name now to reveal context options. Also check that the layer is not a base map or group with protection. Those behave differently. These first steps prepare Arcgis to show the table and avoid confusion later. Now choose Attribute Table from the context menu to open the Table panel. Once open, the Table toolbar gives you tools to sort columns, apply filters, and select records. Use these to narrow focus. Make sure the Map Table link is active so selections sync between the map and table. That linkage explains why clicking a row highlights features on the map. If you need to edit fields, enable Edit mode. Otherwise, stick to Selection and Queries for safe inspection. To finish, close or dock the attribute table so it doesn't obscure the map. Docking keeps it handy for further work. If expected fields don't appear, check the layer's source and field visibility. Sometimes fields are hidden or the layer references a different dataset. If the table fails to open, make sure you have read access to the data and that the underlying data connection is valid. Reconnect or repair the data source if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the Contents pane and retry the context menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.